This is not a hotel. This is not a spa. This is a private home in Kenya. And yes, it has a sauna and a steam bath. So the big question is, why are modern luxury homes in Kenya adding saunas and steam baths? How much does it actually cost? And is it worth it or just expensive hype? If you're planning to build, invest, or upgrade your home in Kenya, this video might save you millions. So let's get into it. Welcome to the Veewave Enterprises channel, where we talk about smart construction, modern homes, and how to build in Kenya without costly mistakes. At Veewave Enterprises, we offer comprehensive construction management services. We connect our clients, especially Kenyans in the diaspora, with professional service providers, reputable suppliers, and we make sure projects are completed within budget and on time. Now, let's talk about this luxury trend that is changing home design in Kenya. 10 years ago, if someone mentioned about a sauna in Kenya, you would think of a 5-star hotel or a gym. But today, we are seeing saunas and steam baths in private homes, especially in high-end mansionettes, executive bungalows, luxury apartments, and diaspora-built homes. Let's see the reasons behind saunas and steam baths in luxury homes. Reason number 1, wellness is the new luxury. Modern homeowners are no longer just building big houses. They are building healthy homes. Saunas and steam baths help with stress relief, muscle recovery, improved blood circulation, better sleep, and detoxification. For many busy professionals and diaspora clients, this is about bringing the spa experience at home. Reason number 2, status plus lifestyle upgrade. Let's be honest, a sauna or steam bath immediately upgrades the class of a house. It tells people this home was intentionally designed. Just like walk-in closets, home offices, and smart systems, wellness spaces are the new flats. And finally, reason number 3, property value and market appeal. From an investment point of view, homes with premium features like saunas and steam baths attract high-end buyers, rent faster, and command better prices. It's no longer just about the number of bedrooms, it's about experience. What is the main difference between sauna and steam bath? Let's get quick clarification because many people confuse these two. Sauna uses dry heat. It is heated by electric or wood heaters, has wooden interior, and has higher temperatures and low humidity. Steam bath uses moist heat, requires a steam generator, has tiled interior, and has lower temperature and high humidity. Some luxury homes like this one install both. Now, let's talk numbers because this is where most people get shocked. Sauna cost in Kenya. Basic home sauna cost between 600,000 Kenya shillings and 1.2 million Kenya shillings. Premium or custom sauna cost between 1.5 million Kenya shillings and 3 million plus Kenya shillings. Steam bath cost in Kenya. Steam generator plus installation cost between 500,000 Kenya shillings and 1.5 million Kenya shillings. Premium finishes and automation, they cost 2 million plus Kenya shillings. Costs depend on size, quality of materials, power requirements, finishes, and whether it is planned early or added later. Important tip: installing these features during the design and construction phase is much cheaper than retrofitting later. Here is where many homeowners make costly mistakes: poor ventilation, wrong electrical capacity, low quality suppliers, no maintenance planning, and no professional supervision. This is why luxury features fail and why some people regret installing them. At Veewave Enterprises, we don't just tell you add a sauna. We help you decide if it makes sense for your lifestyle and budget, connect you with tested professionals installers, source from reputable suppliers, supervise installation, and ensure everything is compliant, safe, and durable. Whether you are building from abroad or locally, we make sure your dream home does not turn into a stress project. So, are saunas and steam baths just luxury hype? Absolutely not. They are part of the future of modern home design in Kenya when done right. If you're planning to build, invest, or upgrade your home in Kenya, subscribe to this channel for real construction insights that save you money. Drop a comment below. Would you add a sauna or a steam bath to your home? And if you need construction management, supplier connection, or project supervision in Kenya, reach out to us today. We will help you build with confidence, clarity, and control. This is Njeri from Veewave Enterprises, your trusted partner in building smarter, stronger, and stress-free in Kenya. Until next video, let's keep building excellence together.